is really a very dedicated person, jolly, and sabi kong kay Alayang Kataguran or Alayang Katagalan, we're in Burina kasi from what ang ating kaming activity or something nagagawan, see to it from the planning stage till the completion stage. Gusto niya, lagi siya nakatutok. Yun yung way niya para ma-enhance at saka ma-cultivate yung mga bright ideas at saka talents namin for us to be able na or something na para ma-boost yung confidence din namin.
As in, iyay tang tao na kung okay rin ka, pakiabutan na ka. He's more than a brother, a friend, and a father to us. Kasi iyang maging inspiration, lalo na ka rin Lulub King Youth Ministry. Lalo na ka rin kaya na ka na yan pa mag-decide na mag-serve. Itang potang akilala met, talagang mag-stick ka na aywa mag-serve ko kasi metong yun ka rin kapag obra ako na ma-inspire ka talaga.
Young people have the heart to do something as the creativity, and I think, sabi nga, you can make difference. And Father Ronnie is not just sympathetic in all nagagawa na. Very empathic siya. Balamit ang kapatid niya talaga. That is what I like in Father Ronnie. At saka, huwag mimimwaya. Pero ating pa rin puntong bababa niya yung sarili at the same time, he's more than willing to listen after. Which are invited in Malaysia for the International Young Christian Students in Kuching, in Sarawak. Sabi ko, karakal da rin eh. And kay bat nanita, mika evaluation na kami after a long year. At po taping di pa ito kay ngamong, lang mo na yung grasya na nga pong Ginoo, karakal. Mo balo, gabundok, pero po palang harapan mo at yaka tumakot, everything will happen so smoothly. And until now, Father Ronnie is really composing a lot of songs. Just recently, the Para Sa'yo and the other MTVs na ginawa dun sa album ay naging finalist for the Catholic Mass Media Awards.